Most men over 40 do not need louder clothes. They need better signals. The right casual pieces make a man look steady, clean, approachable, and quietly attractive. Women often notice texture, fit, and effort before logos. Start with these 12, because the last one changes how the whole outfit feels. Tip number 1, the camel suede jacket. A camel suede jacket is one of the best casual pieces a man over 40 can own, because it gives instant character without looking forced. It has warmth, it has texture, it makes a simple outfit feel considered. You can wear it over a white t-shirt, a navy knit, a black tee, or a light button-down. The color does most of the work. Camel softens the face, pairs well with denim, and looks expensive even when the rest of the outfit is simple. The key is the shape. Avoid anything too tight, shiny, cropped, or aggressive. This is not about looking like a rock star from 20 years ago. You want a clean suede trucker, bomber, or shirt jacket shape that sits well on the shoulders. A good suede jacket also gives you that rare balance. It feels masculine but not harsh, stylish but not flashy, casual but not lazy. For a strong version, the Banana Republic Suede Trucker is a useful reference point, and it is linked in the description. Wear it with dark jeans, clean sneakers, and a plain tee. That is enough. The jacket carries the outfit. Tip number 2, the lightweight knit sweater. A lightweight knit sweater is the quiet upgrade most men overlook. It does the same job as a sweatshirt but with more refinement. It keeps you comfortable, but it does not make you look like you gave up. It gives softness around the chest and shoulders, and that matters more than men think. Women often respond to clothes that look good and feel good. A fine knit has that quality. It looks relaxed from a distance, then better up close. The safest version is a crew neck in navy, cream, charcoal, soft gray, olive, or camel. Keep the fit close enough to show shape, but not tight enough to pull across the stomach. The sleeve should end cleanly at the wrist. The shoulder seam should sit where your shoulder actually ends. This is also a smart piece because it works in many settings. Coffee date, casual dinner, airport outfit, weekend walk, family lunch. It makes you look ready without looking dressed up. Avoid bulky knits unless the weather calls for them. Avoid novelty patterns. Avoid anything stretched at the collar. A simple, lightweight sweater should look calm, clean, and easy. Once the sweater has softened the outfit, the next move is to sharpen the collar without making it formal. Tip number 3, the dark navy polo. A dark navy polo is one of the easiest ways to look better in casual clothes. The mistake many men make is choosing polos that are too bright, too shiny, or too sporty. They end up looking like they are about to play golf, manage a sales booth, or attend a company retreat. Navy fixes most of that. It is dark enough to feel sharp but softer than black. It flatters most skin tones. It works with jeans, chinos, shorts, loafers, sneakers, and casual jackets. It also frames the arms and shoulders in a way that still feels natural. The collar gives structure. The short sleeves keep it relaxed. That balance is why a good polo works so well after 40. The Ralph Lauren custom slim fit mesh polo in Newport Navy is a strong example because it keeps the classic polo feeling, but the color makes it more mature. Wear it with stone chinos and suede loafers or dark jeans and white leather sneakers. Fit matters here. The sleeve should not flare like a bell. The body should not cling. The hem should hit around the upper hip. Button 1 or 2 buttons depending on the neckline. Never button it all the way unless the whole outfit is styled that way. Tip number 4, clean white leather sneakers. Clean white leather sneakers are not just for young men. Worn correctly, they make a man over 40 look fresh, current, and well-kept. The word clean is the important part. Women notice shoes quickly because shoes reveal habits. A man can wear a decent jacket and good jeans, but if the shoes are dirty, collapsed, or bulky, the whole outfit drops. A minimal white leather sneaker works because it does not fight the outfit. It keeps jeans looking sharp. It makes chinos feel less stiff. It even works with a lightweight knit or suede jacket because it brings the look back to earth. The common projects? Original Achilles is a classic reference, and it is linked in the description. The value is not in shouting the brand. The value is in the shape. Low profile, clean lines, plain leather, no loud colors, no oversized logo. Keep them wiped down. Replace the laces when they get tired. Do not let the heel collapse. A white sneaker only looks stylish when it still looks intentional. Avoid running shoes with casual outfits unless you are actually dressing for movement. Sport shoes have their place, but they rarely give the same calm, polished effect. Tip number 5, slim straight dark jeans. Dark jeans are still one of the most attractive casual items a man over 40 can wear. The issue is not age. The issue is fit. Bad jeans make a man look dated quickly. Too skinny, and the outfit feels desperate. Too baggy, and it feels careless. Too distressed, and it can look like he is borrowing style from someone younger. Slim straight is the safe middle. The jeans should follow the leg without squeezing it. They should sit cleanly at the waist. They should break lightly over the shoe, not stack heavily at the ankle. The wash should be dark, simple, and free from heavy fading. Dark denim works because it gives casual outfits a stronger base. It makes sneakers look cleaner, loafers look sharper, and jackets look more polished. It also lets the upper half of the outfit stand out. Wear dark jeans with a navy polo for a simple daytime look. Wear them with a lightweight knit for dinner. Wear them with a camel suede jacket when you want the outfit to feel rich without becoming formal. The best jeans are not the ones people notice first. They are the ones that make everything else look better. Once the jeans are right, the shoes can decide whether the outfit feels casual or considered. Tip number 6. Suede loafers. Suede loafers are one of the clearest signs that a man understands casual style. They are relaxed but still elegant. They are softer than polished dress shoes and sharper than sneakers. That is why they work so well for men over 40. A suede loafer says you made an effort, but you did not overdress. It works for lunch, dinner, travel, casual Fridays, vacations, and weekends when sneakers feel too plain. The best colors are brown, tobacco, taupe, chocolate, navy, and dark olive. These shades are easy to pair with jeans, chinos, linen trousers, and tailored shorts. They also bring texture to the lower half of the outfit. Wear them with no-show socks when the weather is warm. Wear them with fine socks when it is cooler. Either way, keep the trouser break clean. A loafer looks best when the pant hem does not swallow the shoe. Avoid square toes. Avoid overly shiny suede. Avoid thin, flimsy soles that make the shoe look cheap. A good suede loafer gives your outfit quiet polish. It tells people you know how to dress when the setting is relaxed. That is a very attractive skill, because many men only know 2 modes: gym shoes or office shoes. Tip number 7. Well-fitted chinos. Chinos are the item that saves men from wearing jeans every day. They are still casual, but they look cleaner. They make a man appear a little more thoughtful, especially in daytime outfits. A good chino should not look like office uniform pants. That is where many men go wrong. The fabric should have some softness. The fit should be modern, but not tight. The leg should taper gently without grabbing the calf. Stone, khaki, olive, navy, tobacco, and charcoal are the strongest colors. Each one gives a different mood. Stone looks fresh, olive feels masculine, navy is sharp, tobacco looks rich. Charcoal is useful when you want something darker than khaki but softer than black. Chinos pair beautifully with polos, linen shirts, knit sweaters, overshirts, and suede jackets. They also work with both white sneakers and loafers. This is why women often respond well to them. Chinos make a man look relaxed, but organized. He does not look like he dressed for work. He looks like he understands the setting. The main rule is simple. Do not buy chinos that puddle at the ankle or balloon around the thigh. Casual does not mean shapeless. The cleaner the line, the better the result. Tip number 8. The casual linen shirt. A casual linen shirt gives a man ease. That is the word, ease. It does not look stiff. It does not look corporate. It does not look like he is performing. A good linen shirt makes a man look comfortable in his own skin. This is especially powerful after 40 because overly perfect clothing can sometimes feel severe. Linen has a natural wrinkle. That is part of the charm. It says relaxed, not careless. Wear it open over a plain tee for a weekend look. Button it with the sleeves rolled for lunch or travel. Tuck it lightly into chinos when you want more shape. Let it hang untucked when the fabric is light and the hem is cut properly. White, light blue, sand, olive, navy, and soft stripes are the safest choices. Avoid loud resort prints unless the setting truly calls for them. The Banana Republic Standard Fit linen shirt is a practical example because it keeps the shape clean without losing the relaxed feeling. It gives you that easy summer look without making the outfit feel too beachy. A linen shirt works best when the rest of the outfit stays simple. Good pants, clean shoes, no clutter. After the shirt brings ease, the next piece brings the shape back. Tip number 9. The Harrington jacket. The Harrington jacket is one of the most underrated casual jackets for men over 40. It has history, but it does not feel costume-like. It looks neat without feeling formal. It gives shape to the upper body without the seriousness of a blazer. This is useful because many casual outfits need structure. A t-shirt and jeans can look plain. Add a Harrington, and suddenly the outfit has a frame. The best colors are navy, tan, olive, stone, and dark brown. These colors are easy to wear and do not call too much attention to themselves. The jacket should sit cleanly at the shoulders and end around the hip. If it is too long, it loses the crisp shape. If it is too tight, it looks uncomfortable. Wear it with a polo when you want a sharper casual look. Wear it with a plain tee when you want something simple. Wear it with chinos when you want to look clean without looking dressed up. The Harrington works because it has discipline. Not military discipline, style discipline. It keeps the outfit tidy. Women may not always know the name of the jacket, but they notice the effect. The man looks composed, relaxed, but not loose, casual, but not careless. Tip number 10, the quality plain t-shirt. A plain t-shirt becomes more important as a man gets older. When you are young, you can hide behind graphics, oversized cuts, and trend pieces. After 40, the basics have to be better. A plain tee shows fit, posture, and grooming. There is nowhere to hide. That is why quality matters. The fabric should have enough weight to hang cleanly. The collar should sit close to the neck without choking it. The sleeve should hit around the middle of the upper arm. The body should skim, not cling. White is essential, navy is useful, black is sharp, Gray is easy. Olive and cream add softness. These colors work because they support the outfit instead of taking it over. A plain tee can sit under a suede jacket, an overshirt, a Harrington, or a linen shirt. It can also stand alone if the fit is right. The James Purse short sleeve crew neck tee is a good reference for this kind of quiet basic. It is not trying to entertain anyone. It is just clean, soft, and adult. Avoid thin collars, stretched necklines, loud graphics, and fabric so light that it shows every line underneath. Simple only works when simple is well made. Tip number 11, the overshirt. An overshirt is the perfect middle layer for men who do not want to wear a blazer. It gives structure without formality. It makes a t-shirt look more complete. It makes a knit sweater feel more rugged. It adds depth without making the outfit complicated. This is why it is so useful after 40. Many men need casual clothes that look intentional, but they do not want to look dressed up all the time. The overshirt solves that problem. Look for cotton twill, brushed cotton, corduroy, wool blend, suede effect, or sweater knit fabric. The texture is what makes the piece interesting. A flat, thin overshirt can look cheap. A richer fabric looks mature. The fit should allow a layer underneath, but it should not hang like a work smock. The shoulders should be clean. The body should have some shape. The hem should sit around the hip. Wear it open over a plain tee with dark jeans. Button it over a lightweight knit with chinos. Roll the sleeves if the fabric allows it. Keep the rest of the outfit calm. An overshirt gives a man presence in a quiet way. It says practical, grounded, and aware of detail. Once the layers are handled, one small detail can finish the whole impression. Tip number 12, the minimal watch. A minimal watch is not about showing money. It is about finishing the outfit. When a man over 40 wears casual clothes, small details matter more. A watch gives the wrist purpose. It adds polish without adding noise. It also suggests routine, taste, and maturity. The mistake is going too large. Oversized watches can make the outfit look dated. Novelty watches can make it look unserious. A clean watch should support the man, not dominate him. Look for a simple dial, a leather strap, a stainless steel bracelet, a field style, a dive style, or an integrated bracelet design. The best watch is the one that fits your life and works with most of your clothes. The Tissot PRX is a useful example because it feels modern, clean, and versatile without needing to shout. It works with a polo, a knit sweater, a linen shirt, or a casual jacket. A watch will not fix a bad outfit, but when the outfit is already good, it sharpens the final impression. That is the lesson behind all 12 items. Women often notice the whole feeling before they notice the individual pieces. Clean fit, soft texture, calm color, good shoes, quiet details. That combination makes casual style feel attractive, not accidental. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more calm, practical style advice, and save this list before your next wardrobe refresh. The featured items are linked in the description, along with the next video on casual clothes men over 40 should stop wearing before they ruin a good outfit.